I'm excited. I had to post a quick video to show you how to use Filmic's brand new multicam app that's free, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. I'm going to shoot this entire video, edit this video, make the thumbnail for this video, all with free apps, and I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to show you how I do it. Here we go. Right now I'm showing you screenshots of some of the multicam options in the new free Filmic app that I'm here to tell you about. I'm coming to you via pick and pick through the free iMovie editor for iPhone as well. I almost forgot. If I'm lucky, some of you might be new to the channel. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Brian. If you like what you see, I want to encourage you to subscribe and click the bell icon. And whether you're new or a returning visitor, I want to encourage you to stick around to the end and leave a comment for me, because today's video is going to feature 3 different things in this order. I'm going to talk to you about how I make thumbnails with a free app. Then I'm going to talk to you about the free multicam app. Going to go into a little more detail about that today. And then I'm also going to show you my free movie editor, all done on the iPhone. So if you want to be able to put together an entire video for free on your mobile device, I want to encourage you to stick around to the end, because I'm going to tell you how to get all this free stuff.
Meet Adobe Spark, everybody. This is what I use to make my thumbnails. It's a free integrated web and mobile solution that you can use across all your devices. Adobe Spark is broken into 3 major categories: Spark Page, Spark Post, and Spark Video. I typically just use Spark Post for my thumbnails. They have templates themselves you can use, or you can start from the beginning and use an image from your library. You can change all kind of things from topography to graphics. You can apply design filters. You can change colors, invert colors. You can add transparent background photos for your logos and those kind of things as well. It is high quality. It is HD. This is Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is free. That's what I use to make my thumbnails. Anybody wants a tutorial on that, let me know. Whether you're a model railroader or another niche is unimportant to me. Filmic released a new app this week called DoubleTake. It's free and it's for iPhones. It allows you to capture video from 2 cameras at once. You can cut between them or capture the video feeds displayed alongside each other, either as a split screen or a picture-in-picture. All right. The new app is easy to use. You can choose between 24, 25, or 30 frames per second. All record at 1080. You got picture-in-picture. You've got split screen. All right. There's a discrete mode that records files separately, or you can record in the picture-in-picture mode and record both files on the same video file with one audio track. It's easy to use, easy to move things around. Lots of cool things you can do with this app. I recommend all you guys check it out. This is the Filmic DoubleTake app. We're doing this Roy H style right now, everybody. I'm using my new attachment for my gimbal in the auto. It's a little loose. I need to tighten it up, but because I wouldn't be holding it, that wouldn't be safe. Anyhow, in tribute to Roy H. and all those rail fans out there, anybody who is shooting on the move, this app gives you pick-and-pick functionality. All right, you can have 2 separate copies in the discrete mode. You got a side-by-side, which is self-explanatory. My understanding, too, is you can connect with other iPhones and do interviews through that. Meet the free app iMovie, y'all, the friend I love to hate. You can make really good movies with this, y'all. It is free. It's not hard to use. You can make trailers. You can see your video clips. They're organized in one place. You can share clips or portions of clips. You can import backgrounds. There are like 29 trailers you can choose from. You can customize logos. You can put in credits. You can select the best videos for your trailers, those kind of things. It's got an auto function for the trailers as well. You can edit movies up to 4K with this, y'all. It's supported 1080 HD at 60 FPS. You can import movies from any iPhone or iDevices. You can add titles, transitions, 3D globes, travel maps. You can speed up and slow down, fast forward, slow motion. You can do pick and pick, side by side, and most importantly, y'all, they got green screen. You can create your own soundtrack in there. You can import soundtracks. You can use theirs. You can instantly move and look around the sound of your video. You can move it around. You can check it out. You can give your video to a color boost. You can stabilize video. You can turn video. They have 48 video effects. You can actually send auto to Final Cut Pro if you use it as well. I don't use that, but you can share directly. Again, you can create app preferences as well. And basically, they're saying the only thing that's required for the 4K export is that you have a minimum of 4 gigabytes of RAM and 4K playback. I use this thing frequently. It is so easy to use. I'm just showing you now how you can easily make transitions and zoom on the split screen. I'm zooming on the main screen. There's a split again. I can switch those back and forth. Not hard to do. I'm fast forwarding, just showing you how I can scroll through the editing process. You can fast scroll, and many things you can do with this guy that probably I haven't even figured out yet. This green screen functionality is important, and it works great, particularly if you have a 1080 front camera. That way you can see what's going on. Here are all the soundtracks, bunches of cool soundtracks. You can shorten them, edit them, add as many as you want. You can have a voiceover, a soundtrack, a video file, and a pick and pick or side by side or cutaway file up top, all simultaneously. And you can do all this on your mobile device as long as you have an iPhone.
I shot this video entirely on one iPhone 11 Pro using Filmic DoubleTake, Adobe Spark, and iMovie. If you'd like for me to go into more detail on a video tutorial of any of those 3 apps, you just let me know in the comments below. If I have enough interest, I'll be happy to shoot one. Don't forget to stop back into my channel on the 12th of February at 6 p.m. for the Community Roundhouse. Vinny, John, and myself, we all got together. We got a great special guest, got a great show coming for you. And do not forget, on Saturday mornings at 10 a.m., over on the Back On Track channel, check out Trackside, everybody. Don't forget to like the video, everybody, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you can be alerted to future uploads. This is Brian with the Denver and Rio Grande Western Iron Horse Route, signing off.
One more thing from you. If you haven't already, I need you to click right here, or click here, or here, or here, anywhere to stick around. Just stick around.